crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am so excited to be unboxing the June 2025 My Creative Scrapbook main kit. Now these kits are packed full of scrapbooking supplies. If you would like more information on how you can get your kit, I will leave a link listed down below in the description box. First, I want to show you the cut file. So each month you receive a pre-cut cut file, and this one says, "You make me happy." Now let's take a look at the rest of the contents that are included in the kit. We have so many things. We've got ephemera here, we've got stickers, we've got chipboard, and we also receive a sketch to get us started. So we have stickers also. But let's go ahead and start with the paper that's included in this kit. So this month, the paper is by We Are Makers by American Crafts, and it's the Paige Evans Happy Haven collection. And these papers are so gorgeous. They've got all these beautiful florals and these light pastel-like colors, and I just think they are so pretty. So I'm gonna flip through each of the pattern papers here so you can see what we have. And these have like buttons on them. Those are so pretty. And then this one here, I like this one with the pink and then the little bit pops of orange. And I like this one too with all the little color blocks on here. I can see maybe cutting that apart. I'm not really sure. Oh, I love this one with lots of florals. Super pretty. And then we've got some little ladybugs on the reverse side. Both of these sides of all these papers are filled with color. So usually, you have like an A side and a B side where one side is more toned down. And that's not really the case with this collection. I feel like each side is just really popping with color and design. Now here we have a cut apart. It looks like some 2x2 cut aparts. We've got some 3x4 cut aparts. And then there's also a couple spots here, some journaling opportunities. So I like those. I can see maybe even fussy cutting those out. Here is another floral pattern paper and even more flowers. So really, really pretty this month. Now we also received, this is the Paige Evans Happy Haven foam stickers, and it says there's 51 in here. So 51 stickers, that's a lot of stickers. So you can see here, "You belong among the wildflowers. Remember this. Look on the bright side." There's some more florals. "Forever besties." I like this happy. Really, really pretty. And then here's the sketch. So each month there's a sketch included, and each of the design team members will create a layout using that sketch. We received some stickers, so these will be nice for title making. These are all white, so I like those. You could ink these up with your inks and make them any color that you want. Then we also have this pack. This is also a Happy Haven collection. There's 85 stickers in this, and I like here that there's some long strips here, border strips on the side. So those are nice. You know what? Let me take this one out of the package and unfold this because I don't think you can see all the stickers in here. We've got "Cherish your people," "Happiness is homemade," "Family," "These are the moments." There's lots of florals, "Best day," "Sunshine," "Favorite." All right, and then we have 2 ephemera packs. So I know, more stuff, right? We have lots of embellishments this month. So this is from Echo Park, and this is called "Life is Beautiful." And we've got some journaling spots here. And in this one, there's lots of different pieces with little sayings that you could use either for cards or on your scrapbook pages, but they seem to all have a theme of flowers. So these are really cute. So I'm going to flip through here so you can see these. Oh, I love this one. "Good vibes are in the air. You are just my type." And I like these where you can punch out the center to use that little wordy bit. And you also have a frame, so you could tuck that in behind a photo or just use it on your layout as a frame to place over a photo. Here's another frame. I love the frames. And we've got some other ones here. Let me move that. I was trying to sort these out a little bit. Life is good. I love that. Best day ever. And we've got some more here. So let's see, what's this one say? Happiness is felt by making other people feel happy. Oh, that's perfect. And some more. Beautiful soul. Stop and smell the flowers. I think this one's a frame. Yep, it is. So let me punch this out. So we've got another little frame here. Awesome. So then we also have the Paige Evans Happy Haven ephemera pack. So many beautiful florals, and there's a little bit of some gold on here, and I forgot to mention that, but that was also on the stickers, and it's included in the ephemera as well. So there are 69 pieces in this ephemera pack. We've got leaves, we've got large florals, we've got small florals. It is all florals. So this is going to be perfect for making embellishment clusters on our scrapbook pages. So I can't wait to use all these florals. I'm going to flip through all of them here so you can see them. Really, really pretty. And this is going to be nice. Ooh, I love this one. Big pink florals. These have leaves on them. And then here's another little pack. So this came with 2 little packs to make up the 69 pieces. Oops, I dropped some. Let me pick these up. So I will just quickly flip through here so that you can see all these. Now the My Creative Scrapbook has a Facebook page, so I will leave it linked down below where we share layouts, and we would love to see any of the layouts that you create shared in our Facebook community as well. And on the My Creative Scrapbook website, there are lots of different layouts shared where you can see, give you some inspiration for creating your layouts. Now, My Creative Scrapbook has this main kit. There's also a limited edition kit. There's an album kit. There's a creative kit. So there's definitely going to be a kit to fit your needs. If you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms, as that's where I will share my designs. And stay tuned, because later in the month, I will also be sharing my layouts here on YouTube. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!